Hi guys, Ashley with Disney Toy Box here. Today we're doing My Little Pony surprise eggs. Now we have 2 giant ones and 3 little ones, so I can't wait to see what we have in our eggs. But before we do that, if you're watching this video and you're not a subscriber, don't forget to hit that subscribe button wherever it is so you don't miss out on any more awesome videos or shoutouts. And speaking of shoutouts, I want to thank Pinkie Pie for correcting what I called a dragon on the back of our boxes the last My Little Pony video. And I didn't have a name for him, and now I do. So thank you for telling me his name is Discord. So yay, thank you Pinkie Pie. And don't forget, we're trying to reach 500 subscribers by Valentine's Day, so I can't wait to do the big surprise once we hit 500, so make sure to do that. And one last thing, if you guys know what time of day you watch our videos, so if you watch them before school, or after school, or on the weekends, whatever time you guys watch us, please let us know in the comments. You'll see why later, but let us know what time of day you guys watch the videos, because that's something I'd really like to know. So don't forget to do that and to subscribe, and thank you so much Pinkie Pie. Now let's open up these cute little eggs and see what's in them. We'll start with P for Pony. We have Rarity. Oh, you're so cute. I love all the little diamonds, and your hair is so colorful. That's super awesome. These are so cute. I'm gonna have blue Play-Doh on me. Play-Doh is definitely messy, but yay! So that's awesome. We have Rarity. And we'll do M. I love that noise. Hey, it's Applejack. Hi, Applejack. You're so cute and you're covered in apples. Looks like you had fun with body paint. Or face paint, I guess. It's your version of face paint. And you have these cute little hair ties, and your hair is super colorful too. That's super awesome. So hi, Applejack. So far we have Applejack and Rarity. We'll do L for Little, My Littlest Pony, not Littlest Pet Shop, sorry, my brain is all over the place. My Little Pony, not Littlest, sorry guys. Dr. Host does not want to stay in the egg. I love these colors though. Hey, it looks like a little timer. That's cool. One of those sand timers. I love the colors. So you're brown. You have brown and purple and blue hair. And you see you have blood paint. That's super cool. That's the first one of those we actually opened. So yay! Okay, now which one? I'll do the pink one. I like pink. So if you guys don't know yet, pink is my favorite color, so there's a lot of pink in our videos. Sometimes Chris has to remind me that I have to use other colors other than pink, because not everybody likes pink. Hey, I love all the music notes. And the sunglasses. Who are you? You are DJ Pawn 3. And you're a DJ. I wonder if you could DJ my parties. Makes me want to play my viola. Look, you're so cute, the little ears. So yay, this is the first one of these we've opened too. So that's super awesome. Now let's do our last one. Hey, the blue matches my nails. I wonder who this could be. Ooh. You have wings, and this cute little crown, and stars, and it looks like cute little booties. Oh, that's super cute. Who are you? You are Princess Twilight Sparkle. That explains the sparkle, the crown, and the little shoes. This one's cute. So I'm guessing her cutie mark is a star, which is awesome. So we have Princess Twilight Sparkle, DJ Pawn 3, we have Applejack, we have Dr. Hooves, and we have Rarity. Those were our surprise eggs. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and to tell us what time of day you watch us. So don't forget to do all of that. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Don't forget to like this video below and subscribe. If you would like another fun video, click one of the videos you see here. Or for a surprise video, click the question mark. Okay guys, see you next time.